Let's go home na. Why? Ikaw lang ang may food. Kami na Tita Mia, wala. Ito, ulam. Ulam lang. Oh. Thank you po. Ang habang naman itong baby na ito. Let's go home na. Nak, let's go home. Sabi ko, share kayo ni Tita Mia din. Don't finish your drinks. Let's go na. Let's go home. Let's go na. Absidi, let's go na. Are you sure? Let's go. Tabatchoy ka. Oh, binalikan pa yung pug niya.
Pug niya?
Pug. Kumain ulit.
Okay, let's keep that lang.
Naubo-ubo pa.
Keep na keep.
Let's go home. Hindi na naman mag-go home.
Kasi sila
Love you. Ay, say thank you, Daddy.